In this video, I'm going to teach you how to promote Warriorplus products without any website, without having to chase anyone, and without any product launches and without any cold callings, and how you can become a successful affiliate promoting Warriorplus products and earn thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions every single month from the comfort of your home. Now, before I dive into this video, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. If you do have questions, just leave a comment and I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. Right, so let's dive into this video. It's a very step-by-step process, and if you follow this process and stick to it with a never giving up attitude, you will start to see some results. All right, now why am I teaching Warriorplus and not ClickBank? And the reason is for that is you have to have different variations on your table to promote affiliate products. Now if you're just going to stick to ClickBank and you're not making any money with ClickBank, the end result is you're going to give up. So what you want to do is you want to have different networks sitting in front of your table. So for any reason, if ClickBank is not working for you, you don't give up, you just move on and start promoting other products with Warriorplus. I know one internet marketer who started off with ClickBank. He tried everything. It just didn't work for him. For a couple of months, he done everything to make ClickBank work. It didn't work for him. It's all about luck. He moved on. He joined another network and he became a millionaire. So you need to move on. All right. So, and in my opinion, making money and making sales with Warriorplus offers is way easier compared to ClickBank, especially in these days, in this time and era. And the reason is because ClickBank offers has lost a lot of trust in the marketplace. A lot of people, as soon as they find out that this is a ClickBank product, they don't purchase it. So, and Warriorplus has a better conversion as well because it starts from a low price range to a high price range. So in my opinion, you might want to give a test drive to Warriorplus offers and hopefully you will make money if you have a never giving up attitude and you do all of this with a positive attitude. All right, so let's dive into this video. The first step is that you want to go to warriorplus.com and you want to register a free account. That's step one. Step two is you want to create a lead magnet page similar like this one. Now why do you want to create a lead magnet page? You want to build a list of email subscribers. All right, when you have a list of email subscribers, you can promote variation of products and services and you have traffic at your own disposal. The money is in the list. 90% of all internet marketers are making all their money from email marketing. If you're not building a list, you are leaving thousands and thousands of dollars on the table. So start focusing on list building and start bringing in leads and take your business to the next level. So how do you build this lead magnet page? There are a couple of options. If you have HTML skills, you could do it yourself. It only takes 5-10 minutes. If you don't want to do it yourself, you could hire someone from odesk.com, freelance.com, fiverr.com. Or you could use a software program that does the heavy lifting for you. They give you done for you templates. You just have to make a couple of changes and there you go. You have a brand new lead magnet page. Now there are so many tools and softwares out there. The tool that I use and I've been using for a couple of years is called ClickFunnels. This allows you to build landing pages, sales funnel, webinar pages, and even test different landing pages simultaneously and pick up the winner. Now, if you want to join ClickFunnels with a free 14-day trial, then all the links are going to be in my description box below this video. You can join, give a test drive to ClickFunnels, and I highly recommend. It's one of the best programs out there to build high converting landing pages. And so if you want to join, links in the description box below this video. So that's step one. Step two, you will need an autoresponder. What is an autoresponder? An autoresponder is when a person enters his email down here, that email should be stored somewhere. Where is it going to be stored? It's going to be stored in your autoresponder. So just say you sent about 1,000 people to this page, and just say 400 people entered the email. That 400 people's email is going to go straight to your autoresponder. Now that autoresponder is controlling that email, and it allows you to write an email, press one button, which is called the send button, and that email is blasted out to 400 subscribers. Now imagine this. If you have a never giving up attitude and you have been promoting different offers and sending traffic after traffic after traffic to your lead magnet page. So in the beginning you got started and you got 400 subscribers, then you got to 1,000, then 2,000, then 5,000, then 10,000, then 50,000, then 100,000 subscribers. Imagine this, you had 100,000 people that has shown interest in making money online, and you have an offer to promote. Very easy. You have traffic at your own disposal. You just have to go into your autoresponder, write one simple email, press the send button, and that email is going to be blasted out to over 100,000 people. Imagine the amount of visitors and traffic you are going to receive to that one offer. And if you have built that trust with your subscribers, and they have trusted you, they know that you're a real person, they know that you're someone who's willing to help them, you're going to make thousands of dollars in commissions in return. No joke. So you need to focus on list building. All right. Now, how do you connect the dots between your lead magnet page and your autoresponder? Is very simple, very easy. I have so many tutorials on this in my video, but if you still need help, or you still want me to create a new tutorial on this, on how to connect your landing page with your autoresponder, do respond in the comment box below and I will come up with a new tutorial. And by the way, remember, because I use a software called ClickFunnels, my tutorial will be based around ClickFunnels. That means I will teach you how to connect your dots with ClickFunnels and connect it with your autoresponder, because I use ClickFunnels. If you're not using ClickFunnels and you're using another tool, then I'm sorry, I can't show you how to connect the dots. They should have their own tutorials. But if you're using ClickFunnels, this will be a very helpful for you, because then it's very easy for me to show you everything on how to connect the dots, because that's what I use. Now, if you're not part of ClickFunnels and you do want to join ClickFunnels, the links are going to be in the description box below this video. You can get started with a 14-day free trial and give it a test drive. So that's step number 2. Step number 3 is you want to go to Warriorplus and find some good offers. Now with Warriorplus is a bit different to ClickBank. With ClickBank, most of the time is as you are already approved to promote products. But with Warriorplus, you're not approved. You have to request approval. All right. Now, in the beginning, if you don't have no track record, most people will not approve you, thinking, wait a moment, I don't know what this guy's going to do. But if you continue to start requesting, you will get some people who will come and approve you, right? So you could see here that these are all the products, all right? So it's giving you the release date, sales, conversion rate, visitors value, average per sale, refund rate. And I'm approved for so many products down here, all right? So if you look at here, just say you want to promote a product. So what you want to do is you just want to go to a product like this. For example, I could see here that I'm not approved for this product. So I'm just going to click on this product. All right. And now before I want to get myself approved, I want to look for a couple of things. I just don't want to promote anything to my list. I want to make sure that product, the sales page is looking good. It's got a video. It's a video sales page. It's paying me good amount of money, good amount of commissions. It's something that's real, genuine, and it's going to help my customers. So I want to look for a couple of things. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this view sales page, and I want to see the sales page. Okay, so this is a big no-no for me. All right. So let's just go back and let's just look at this guy here, the Big Ten traffic. So let's look at his view sales page first. All right, does he have a video? Okay, he does.
Traffic, and even more.
All right, I could see that this guy does have a video sales page. Now remember, when it comes to testimonials, all right, never ever. Okay, let me just show you something that you probably never thought about. Look, now this guy, he's got a video sales page, okay, which is great. It's looking good to me. But when it comes to the testimonial that he's providing here for all the money that he's making, remember, we are affiliates. We are promoting other people's products. So the vendor's job is to prove that you can teach me how I could make thousands of dollars as an affiliate. But if you look down here, this testimonial that he's providing, the stats that he's showing is not affiliate stats. These are vendor stats. Look at this, vendor stats. So as a vendor, he's making all this money. How is that going to resonate with you when you are not a vendor and you're an affiliate? And if you look at his affiliate stats, he's not making enough money. He's only made $486 in about 7 days. Down here, you can see he's made $24,000 in 7 days. And that's his vendor stats. We don't want vendor stats. That's number one. Number two, you can see that the results are very, very old. This is 2021. That means 2 years old. And this is 2023, if you know. All right, if I go down, you can see he's providing 2020 results. And you can see that in the last 7 days, he's made over $4,000 as a vendor and only $700 as an affiliate. So you have to be very, very careful, all right? I was about to purchase this product. When I saw this, I said, no, I don't want to purchase this product. You know why? Because, yes, okay, he's providing results. It shows that this guy knows a bit of internet marketing. I'm not going to say a lot, a bit of internet marketing, but I want to see some latest result. I want to see that the method you're teaching me, is that working right now in the current moment? Show me the results and show me as an affiliate that you've been using it, and as an affiliate you're making all this money, not as a vendor. So when I saw this, I didn't purchase the product, right? So you have to be very, very careful. But just say I wanted to promote this product, then once I'm happy with the sales page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to see how much commission is going to pay me. So the commission range is going to be from $6 to $660, all right? If you just come to the product page, and you can see how much commission you're going to get paid. So 50%. So this is the price of the products, and this is the commission you're going to make every time someone purchases any of these products. Now these are upsells, all right? So this is the default product, and these are going to be all the upsells coming your way, all right? So one person purchases product, and perhaps he might go for all the upsells or some of the upsells. So these are the price range, and this is the commission, 50% commission you're going to be making. Okay, so this is how so if you want to promote this product, now there's one more last thing that you want to check, but actually you're supposed to check this first before even going to this product, and that is, what's the refund rate, all right? And what's the conversion rate? That's the two important parts. So I could see the conversion rate is 10%. That's very good, all right? Very, very good conversion rate. Normal product is like 2%, 3% conversion rate. So he's got a 10% conversion rate. And he's generated 500 plus sales. That's also good. And you can see he's got 0% refund rate. That means 0 people have requested a refund. So probably might be a good fit to promote this product and make a couple of sales and a couple of commissions. All right. So once you are happy with any product that you want to promote, what you want to do is you would just go to request approval. You would just put in a note, something like, "Hi, I am interested in promote. I am interested in promoting your product. Can you please approve me?" And then either he will refuse or he will accept you, whatever the case is. But you want to do this with a couple of products so you can get approved for at least some. All right. Now, one last question I want to answer, and that is, how do I drive traffic to this page? Now, there are so many traffic sources: PPC, PPV, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, etc., etc. The fastest way to generate traffic and build a high quality list is solo ads. Now, I do have a traffic source, a solo ad traffic source for you, recommending the top notch traffic sellers for you. Right? The links are going to be in the description box below this video. Make sure you check it out. But there are so many other traffic networks as well. You could check this one out as well. It's called trafficforme.com. You could go there and they have some good quality traffic as well. And I do have a tutorial on this traffic network as well. But I recommend you start off with one network. So I've given you some top-notch traffic providers that has very high quality traffic, in my opinion. You can start buying traffic from those people, and the link is going to be in the description box below this video. Just make sure you check it out. All right. So that's all for now. This is how you can start making money with Warriorplus as an affiliate. Now, if you want to get access to a program that is 99% done for you, that is changing people's lives, and that will allow you to make thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars every single month in commissions without spending a single dime on traffic. In other words, you want to learn how to do it, then there's going to be a link in the description box below this video. Check that link out, watch the video, watch the tutorial. It's a no BS, no garbage program that will allow you to make high ticket commissions without having to spend a single dime on traffic generation. That's right, my friend. Okay, so this is a very good opportunity for you where you can learn all the bits and pieces of affiliate marketing, how to promote a product successfully on networks where you don't have to buy traffic, and you can continue to do this to build a high quality list, leads, and start making some very big fat commissions. All right, so that's all for now. Make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get my future videos and get to learn more new